Choosing the right furnace starts with one simple question: what fuel type works best for your home? Natural gas is the most common. It's stable in price, requires no storage, and delivers steady, reliable heat. If you have a gas line, a gas furnace is usually your best pick. No gas line? Oil furnaces are popular in the Northeast. They last long but cost more to run because oil prices fluctuate. And yes, you'll need a storage tank. Electric furnaces cost less upfront and last long, but they are more expensive to operate and slower to heat. In colder climates, gas or oil usually wins. Not sure which furnace is right for you? We can help you choose the perfect fit.